Check out that view. That shit just bent my whole rear brake past my foot peg. What's past this? I think we might have to sneak in. Hollywood signs should be somewhere like right over here. Riding through the desert right now. So shit. Yo, what is good, YouTube? It's your boy Time Moto coming at y'all with another video. As you can see, I'm up on the top of the mountain right now. We got the little pit bike out here. If you guys have seen the video when I picked up the 3 bikes, this was one of them. It was this KLX 110. I think it's like a 2003. And then I had like a, I don't even know, like a 04 KLX 125. Sold that bike, made some money on it. Sorry I didn't keep you guys updated with that. But I also sold the KX 250 that I had. I wish I would have made more content with that, but I was like busy at the time and kind of fell out of doing videos. So yeah, this is the KLX 110. I still got this one and I still got the DRZ. That's the only bikes that I got out in California right now. But yeah, if you guys haven't seen this bike, it's basically stock. It's got an FMF exhaust on it, just a slip-on. It's not the full exhaust. It's got pro taper bars. Other than that, it looks like it's got a little graphics kit on it. And yeah, pretty fun bike to ride around. Only thing wrong, you guys can see this brake lever right here, super bent up. I actually went and ordered one, so throw that on there and then we'll be able to practice wheelies more on this. So yeah, we're gonna get a little pit bike adventure ride in today. First kick, second kick. Maybe hit a wheelie up the street before I leave. Oh shit. That's why I need a back brake right there. This bike though is a little bit hesitant, so I think I need to clean the carburetor out, but other than that, it runs really good. Let's mob out of here. Try not to get ran over by a car, or else that'll be the end of Time Moto. So yeah, I know I haven't really made any pit bike videos, so let me know definitely if you want to see more videos on the pit bike. Also, if you have not followed my Instagram, definitely go and check that out, because honestly I've been a little bit more active on my Instagram more than my YouTube, even just for the fact of that it's just a little bit more easier for me to, you know, just quickly put up a post. Check out that view. Most legendary to ever do it. We went from Chicago to LA. Still out here living in the hills. I know I gotta start sharing my life a little bit more, but it's been a lot going on and YouTube kind of got put to the back of my priority list. But I still want to keep this active, still want to keep it going, because I love riding bikes and I love sharing it with you guys. So I'm not gonna stop doing that. If you haven't already, definitely make sure to smash that thumbs up button for me. If you guys want to see more pit bike adventure videos. And we made it to Mulholland Drive at the top of the top. Nah, but you can actually go higher than this. But this is about as high as you're gonna get. Look at that view. Top of the Moop. Shout out Tall Guy Car Reviews. But yeah, man, we riding in the mountains right now. Giving you guys the Hollywood tour. I'm hitting some corners. Woo! Scrape my foot on that one. We getting low. But here comes the Hollywood tours. They giving tours. See, you guys should be paying for this. They looking at me like, what is this dude doing on a damn dirt bike up here? Looking at me crazy as hell. Oh shit, hit a rock. God damn. That shit just bent my whole rear brake past my foot peg. What the fuck? Hold on, we might need to fix this one. Damn. Whole bike just cut off and everything on me. This is a tragedy. Yeah, most definitely need to get that fixed here. But let's head down this thing now. Got a little bumpy ride. I've never been over here, so I have no idea where I'm going. But that's why they call it Pit Bike Adventures. We came to a stop. What's past this? Space reserve. Should we sneak in? I think we might have to sneak in. Pit Bike Adventures wouldn't be complete without trespassing. Oh yeah, we got some views. I don't know if you guys can see in the through the GoPro right now. Maybe I could zoom in. Downtown LA, you can see right there. That's a pretty cool view. And all the way over there is the Griffin Observatory. That's pretty far though. And Hollywood signs should be somewhere like right over here. I think maybe behind that hill. But yeah. This is pretty cool right here. I never been up here before, so this is definitely a real adventure. And I think this is where I'm gonna have to take a quick pic for the gram. Right here. Alright, so those pictures will probably be up by the time this video is posted. So if you're not already following me, go ahead and check those pictures out and hit that follow so you can stay updated with what I got going on. And we're riding through the desert right now. I'm not trying to go through that bush. Ah, shit. That is what I did not want to do. It's a little bit overgrown. Ah, shit. I'm getting scratched up. Looks like we're at the end of the road. Besides going down. I don't think I'm up for that one today. Oh shit, going back through those bushes. Oh, let's not ride off the mountain. Oh, look, we getting a little sketchy here. And some loose dirt. Me out of here. I ain't signed up for this shit. We made it out alive. No trespassing. But Hey, the gates are open. The hell is this? They store water up here or something? So this is like the view of Universal Studios right there. You guys can see they got the Hogwarts Castle. Believe it or not, I haven't even been to Universal Studios yet, but I'm definitely gonna check it out. Let me know if you guys ever been to Universal Studios Hollywood and how you liked it. But yeah, this is a cool little spot. Might take the DRZ up here, maybe. There's a private entryway. Just gotta go under this tree. Shit. This might be a oh shit. Sending it. Oh. And we back to civilization. Back tearing up the streets. Ain't gonna lie, this is fun as hell. Hitting these corners on this thing. No cap. Alright. We had enough fun up here. See you later, Mulholland Drive. Until next time. Heading down the hills. Just want to say thank you to everybody who been showing me support, even through the whole way with my YouTube career, if you want to call it. I know I fell off a bit, and I'm trying to get back on right now. I'm not promising nothing, but I want to come back. I want to keep pushing out videos for you guys, so just keep that support coming. Keep showing me love, motivating me to get out here and do this for you guys. So if you guys like this video, you know what to do. Definitely go and smash that thumbs up button. If you guys want to see more of these videos, Pit Bike Adventures, or you want to see more supermoto content or Raptor 700, whatever it is, you know, go and hit that subscribe. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Counting that check on my backbone. Water been through with a blindfold. Big malicious, don't get stepped on. I'm living that life, yeah, my mind blown. My niggas so trust, got rhymes.